Welcome to Prague. We are in the Old Town Square, Prague, Czech Republic.
Hi.
And there are 4 things that you want to see in Prague. Number 1, Old Town Square, right here. Number 2 is Charles Bridge, built in what year?
1357.
Built in 1357. And then the 3rd thing you want to see is the Prague Castle, which we're going to see later today. And the 4th thing, Czech beer. I am in Prague, Czech Republic, and we are about to take the beer tour. That's our route. This was our first pub crawl. The best way to kick off our time in Prague is by taking a pub crawl. Link in the description below. This one heads to 4 different pubs in the city. Here we're drinking an unfiltered beer, which you can see the beer is cloudy, and the proper cheers is na zdraví. Another fun fact is that Czech beer has been brewed since 993 AD by Benedictine monks. Did you know that Prague drinks more beer per capita than anywhere else in the world at 157 liters per year? Little did you know, this was down here. Ready, guys? Na zdraví! Now we head to our last pub, which is located in an underground cave. They even have a type of beer that's 100% foam. Prague is also known for its awesome nightlife. In fact, the old town is all lit up at night.
Princess.
Panda, panda,
Yes,
panda.
please. It's very good for body.
Whoa.
Yes.
This is the Old Town Square in Prague. Prague became the capital of the Czech Republic in 1993 when the former Czechoslovakia divided into 2 independent countries. Prague is home to many famous cultural attractions, many of which survived the violence and destruction of 20th century Europe. However, some buildings were still damaged from other reasons. And this building collapsed in a fire, so you can see it's halfway missing. Famous teen church, the Gothic Cathedral, that tower is bigger than that one, and that's the direction of north. This is where the astronomical clock sits, but it's being renovated for the 100-year anniversary. This right here is the Prague Castle. It's a complex of 34 buildings up on a hill. You can get there by tram.
In front of the, right here, old new synagogue. The old new synagogue is the oldest still active synagogue anywhere in Europe. So the way we say hi or bye is ahoy, like the pirates, you know? So let's try the other one, ahoy.
Ahoy!
Oh yeah, the most important word in the Czech language. The way we say beer is the letter P like Prague, P-I-V-O, people. Let's try it one, but me first, you can hear it, people. So the way we say cheers is the middle syllable. Oh, you got the most important word now. Cheers. So the middle syllable is letters Z, D, R, A. Zdra. Zdra. then begins with na, N-A, na, ends with the letter V. Together you have Na zdraví. But more excitement. Na zdraví. Right, repeat everything. Is the roasted duck. It's like the roasted chicken, but it's the roasted duck. So bigger and better than the chicken is the duck. It's served with usually cabbage and dumplings. But our dumplings are different than what you used to. We have a massive big dumpling, and we cut into pieces. So yeah, sometimes people from North America call it like, it looks like bread, but it's a dumpling. So number one, roasted duck. Number two, I would say food called svíčková. Svíčková does not have direct translation to English. So in the English menus, they just do the full description, which is beef in creamy sauce with dumplings. So beef in creamy sauce with dumplings is svíčková. It's just a small piece of beef, really. It's about the sauce and the dumplings. Then of course our cuisine does overlap with Germany as well. So the roasted knee, pork knee and pork knuckle.
Have you been to Prague yet? Comment below on your favorite things to see and do in this beautiful city. Look at the facade of this building. This is the Hotel Paris with a Z. I'm taking the castle tour. We're crossing the bridge right now. This is Prague. We hope that you enjoyed this tour of Prague. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned because coming up next is the magnificent Prague Castle.